Roof plane baselines can be selected and edited in certain useful ways. You can see the baseline here against the exterior side of the main layer of the wall. You can select it and use the Move Edit handle to move it. I'll click on Control plus the Z key to undo to move it back into position. Then I'll open the saved back-clipped cross-section camera. Then I'll hold down my Shift key and hit F6 to tile the two views on my screen. The baseline, as you can see, sits on the outside edge of the main layer of the wall. In my cross-section view, I've drawn red lines to indicate where the baseline sits. It sits right at the top of the ceiling height of the room, right at the outside edge of the main layer of the wall. If I move the baseline, the roof plane still has to pass through its baseline, therefore the roof plane will have to change. The elevation of the baseline does not change. Moving the baseline inside can have the effect of lowering the roof plane. The roof plane must drop to pass through its new baseline location. If I move the baseline outside of the building, it will have the effect of raising the roof plane. The roof plane will have to get higher to pass through its new baseline location. I'll move the baseline back to the main layer of the wall, and then we'll select this roof plane and change it to a curved roof with an angle at the eave of 15 degrees. When I click OK now, we can see that the curved roof is cutting into our building. The baseline for the curved roof is out here. It sits as it would for the straight roof plane that has just been curved. If I move the baseline away from the wall, this roof plane will still pass through its baseline, and the effect will be that of raising the roof plane. Having moved the baseline out, its height has not changed, but the roof plane must still pass through it, so it will get this kind of an effect. Moving the baseline has raised the roof plane. Then we'll need to rejoin the ridge lines. We can do this in the floor plan view by simply clicking on the ridge line and using our Join Roof Planes Edit tool in the toolbar at the bottom, and then click on the ridge line of the other roof plane. When joining a straight roof plane and a curved roof plane, you'll get a dialog that says, when joining a curved roof plane to another roof plane, its angle at the ridge or radius to the roof surface value may need to change. Specify which value should remain unchanged during this edit. You can lock that angle at the ridge or lock the radius to the roof surface. I'm going to leave it as locking the radius to the roof surface and click OK. Now if we take a camera view from inside, you can see that we have a clean corner with no roof projecting into the room. And from the outside, you can see a curved roof plane joined at the ridge with a straight roof plane.